I really love this restaurant. I always order the 3-cheese lasagna here.
Me too. It's the best.
Hi, what'll it be?
Oh, 3-cheese lasagna by 2. Thanks.
Actually, I think that we've only got the one portion left.
Okay, I'll take it.
Hang on. Why should you get it? Give us a minute.
I really want that 3-cheese lasagna, Oscar.
Well, I really want it, Oscar.
It was my suggestion to come here.
Come on. I helped you paint your apartment last week. I even lent you my car.
I needed the car to drive you to the hospital.
Because while I was painting your apartment, I fell out of your window. And at the hospital, you had the front to eat my chocolate cake.
That was an amazing chocolate cake. Okay, you can have the lasagna. My friend will take the lasagna.
Actually, while you guys were chatting, I do believe that another customer just bought the last portion.
I hate this restaurant.
I told you not to come here.